Hi guys, Diane Hogarth here, Millionaire Mom, helping you at home make money online. How can I earn money? Copy and pasting photos and have fun in the process. There are 7 steps to this. So you've got to concentrate, do each step, and you're going to blow the world away. Okay, so copy and paste and have fun in the process. Pick a program that you love that's quite old, that's been on the telly for about 10 to 15 or more years. Okay, I have chosen NCIS. You can choose Friends, you can choose a film, you can choose pop stars, you can choose anything you like, as long as you can have a then and a now photo. Okay, so Abby Suto. So you look up NCIS cast, click on Abby, and you want 2 pictures. You want a then and a now. So if you scroll down to this one here, right click, save image as, then you can put Abby, I can't spell Abby, Abby then, right. Then what you do is, before I tell you the second step, hit the like button, hit the notifications button, so you get top tips as they happen. And don't forget to tell me which country you're from, so I can do videos for your country as well. Okay, Ribbit is the next website I wanted to show you, because this is what I love, this little frog. You now upload your photos, and yes, you can do it on your phone. So you download the app, and then it comes up like this. I want you to click on that one there and then upload some photos. And then it's a bit slow. Okay, Abby now. So you whiz it over there like that. And you upload Abby then. And you guessed it, you're actually going to write the words then and now. Okay, so you can move the photos around if you like. So you press done. Then hop over here and add some text. It's probably best if you put your caps lock on, and then you add then and now. Oops. Add. Then, oh, here we go. Getting a bit confused here. Add. Okay, I've got too many. That's fine, because you might have a little bit of a problem as well. I've got too many of them. Okay, there. Then now save. You download it to your computer. Leave the JPEG there if you can. I wanted to call it Abby then now dot JPEG. JPEG. Otherwise it won't save. Right, save photo. Abby then now. So you love that little frog. Right, step 3. Step 3 is go over to Slideshow. A slideshow maker. Now this is where it gets clever. Choose your files. I've got this in a folder called NCIS. You can put it in a folder or you can actually put it on your desktop as long as you know where they are. So for instance, let's do this. Abby, then and now. Okay, now do that for each one of the cast. Now, if you look here, add music. Okay, add music. There was free copyright music, copyright-free music on YouTube. So you go YouTube audio, and there's a whole list of them. So you can take a listen, pick one. So download it there and then add it here. Okay, add audio. It's as simple as that. Okay, then it's coming together now. You've got a little slideshow with music. Don't forget to stay till the end because these are important steps. The last step is the best one, but you've got to have done all these in the right order. Now, what are you going to do with your little video clip? I'm going to show you TopRaccoon. They've got 37.5 subscribers because all they do is do some clips like I've just shown you, and they get 1.6 million views, 4.4 thousand, 4.4 million. Now, yes, you can earn money on YouTube, but you have to have 4,000 watch hours and 1,000 subscribers. Social Blade, I'm just going to show you, it didn't work. Social Blade is a website that you can actually have a look at the popularity of a YouTube channel and how much it earns. So this is where you can earn £2 grand a month. So you enter TopRaccoon, TopRaccoon, search. Now this is proof that these, I'm going to show you that in a minute, just this is going to blow you away. Okay, so TopRaccoon, this is the one. Select the channel. Now I've got actors, movies, TV shows, 70s, 80s, 90s and 2000s. So they can earn £2 grand a month. £2 grand a month. So they haven't even uploaded one for the last year. Come on, guys. This is what I'm talking about. Anyway, the icing on the cake, because you might have to wait a while to get some subscribers. The icing on the cake. Okay. You've heard of Amazon. Go to Amazon affiliate, become an affiliate of Amazon. Okay, just write in Amazon affiliate. Fill the form in, go over to normal Amazon, amazon.co.uk or amazon.com, and look at this. This is the icing on the cake. How many gifts can you put in the description of your video? Once you've got your link for the NCO's cap, a mug, a coaster, anything you like. You can get paid when somebody clicks on your link, and yes, it's in your sleep. Can you imagine how much money that you could make if you did this? Now, this is money while you sleep. All you have to do is make the initial effort, but obviously that takes time to get known. So it's not really exchanging time for money like a job, but it does take time. But what if I could show you a way to make a full-time income online with passive income? Now, passive income, as you know, is instead of you paying the phone bill every month, you get paid monthly. So it's a monthly subscription that people pay you. Click the link below and check it out, guys, and look forward to meeting you on my team. Bye, guys.